Also, he cannot, before you start asking questions, I'll warn you, he cannot talk about operational details. Kaya pag bigla kaming sasabat at sasabihin namin wag siyang sasagot, that's because it's still ongoing. So, but he can tell you what happened.
Ano po nangyari sa
Good morning po.
Pakilala ka. Alam mo sa training sa military at sa police walang training para makakaharap sa press. Kahit kumarap sa bala kaya namin pero kumarap sa press.
So, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat sa ating mahal na Pangulo. Sir,